colors together. A is for aqua. Aqua color. B is for blue. Blue color. C is for cyan. Cyan color. D is for dark green. Dark green color. E is for emerald. Emerald color. F is for fuchsia. Fuchsia color. G is for green. Green color. H is for hot pink. Hot pink color.
I is for indigo. Indigo color.
J is for jade. Jade color.
K is for khaki. Khaki color.
L is for lavender. Lavender color. M is for magenta. Magenta color.
N is for navy blue. Navy blue color.
O is for orange. Orange color. P is for purple. Purple color.
Q is for quartz. Quartz color. R is for red. Red color.
S is for sky blue. Sky blue color. T is for turquoise. Turquoise color. U is for ultramarine. Ultramarine color. V is for violet. Violet color. W is for white. White color. X is for xanthic. Xanthic color. Y is for yellow. Yellow color. Z is for zaffre. Zaffre color.
Thank you for
Great
watching.
job.
If you had fun, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. See you again on ABC Spotlight.